Hello everyone, minasan konnichiwa. Today I'll be doing a walking tour from Raffles City at the CTO area towards Bugis. So let's go. It's raining, no? But lucky I brought my umbrella. Yeah, the weather in Singapore is unpredictable. It's like 2 hours ago it stopped raining, right? Then 1 hour ago it started raining. Then it stopped again. And by the way, on the right side is Raffles Place Hotel. A nice car. Wow, and there's a bar and lounge here called Tuks or Tux, man. Yeah, let me just open my umbrella. In front is a city of books called the Bras Basah, established in I think 1980. So we arrived at the National Library and there's an old Changi right here. We've arrived at Bugis, man, and obviously this Bugis cute. There are some shopping and restaurants, and this way leads to the MRT of Bugis. Wow, some nice shops just opposite. And look at the Liangsha Street where the Mukata is along the Liangsha Street. A lot of like pop-up restaurants over there. So you guys see, man, so many restaurants, right?